Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the types of inquiry in the context of professional ethics and human values. See, what are so already we have discussed about the variety of moral issues. So, how to resolve this? For resolving this, we have to follow certain procedures of certain steps. Some investigation procedures should be there in order to find a clear solution for these moral issues. So, three different types of inquiries are there. One is normative inquiry, conceptual inquiry, and last one is factual or descriptive inquiry. So, three types of inquiries are there. We can discuss about each and every one in detail. Normative inquiry is a overall thing which refers to what one ought should do. That is what we have to do under this situation, right? Simply, what should I do under this situation? If I have a situation like this, what should I do? How should I respond? What should be the ideal response at this point of time during this activity? So, on a whole, without analyzing just right either left or right, to tell like this, we'll be going for normal inquiry. So, this normal inquiry helps to take moral decisions. Ethically, it emphasizes on responsibility of engineers. Similarly, how we should respond during a particular time. What are the laws and codes we should follow? What are the laws and codes which should come in our mind? And what is the basic moral principles apart from laws? What is the basic moral principles and what are the rights? So, based on all these things, whether to take right or left is being defined by the normative inquiry. Let us consider a case that is where a structural engineer discovers a design flaw in a bridge that is already under construction. Most of the construction was being carried out. So, this was being discussed as a case in a separate video too. Here, the engineer faces pressure from the company not to report it because, see, it is under construction. All the works have been carried out. If they stop at this point, then cost overruns. The company will go in a loss and they ask the engineer to keep quiet. Is that right? If we continue with that, then it will lead to loss of different lives. Mhm. So, what should an engineer do at this point? Based on the ethical duty to protect the public safety and uphold the professional integrity. So, his first preference is to protect the public safety. Yes, he has the he have to uphold the professional integrity, but on the same time protecting the public or safety, giving safety to the public becomes the most priority one when it comes to this case. So, how he should decide. Second one is conceptual inquiry. Here, we'll be dealing all the concepts. We'll be analyzing the concepts. What is the principle behind this? What are the issues? So, more than a normative inquiry, next to the next step, we'll be analyzing. So, the basic principles will be analyzed. What are the marginal safety issues will be analyzed. Then, what are the precautions engineers should take at this point in time will be analyzed. What is the moral aspect that also will be analyzed? Unethical behavior. See, sometimes the engineer may get some bribes or something. He'll put himself in an unethical environment, and because of that, he may deny his duty of safeguarding the public. So that also, whether the engineer has involved in such kind of activities, that also has to be analyzed. Then it focus on professionalism as well as ethics. So this conceptual inquiry not only deals with taking a decision for that point of time, right? What should I do at this point of time? It deals not only with that, it comes to the next level. Why this decision was being made, right? So all those, is this decision made to safeguard the public, or did he take this decision that is, two decisions can be made. One is either he can stop constructing the bridge to safeguard the public, or he can continue constructing the bridge to get a promotion or a gift from the management, from the industry. So what is the basic, what is the concept? So all this analysis will be made in this conceptual inquiry. So this is the an example. Did he get any bribe or anything in order to continue construction that has been found it as a flaw? Third one is factual and descriptive inquiries. Factual and descriptive inquiries go more deeper into that, more deeper into the moral issue. So it deals with the business realities. What is the real world problem? What is the engineering practices being done? Then it includes historical insights. A deeper analysis of the problem will be done at this inquiry. Professional effectiveness, impact of professional societies will be analyzed. Then, what are the procedures to be followed when assessing the risk or will be analyzed, as well as the psychological aspects also should be considered. So, this becomes a descriptive inquiry. What are the facts? That is factual inquiry. An engineer, this in the case is an engineering firm is deciding whether to approve the use of new construction material. So the decision may depend on the past performance data or the risk assessment procedures or the industry standards. All these will be considered, should be considered. All these facts should be analyzed in detail before giving an approval. So these are the different types of inquiries when it comes to professional ethics, when we violate any moral issues or anything. Thank you.